Hi my friends, and welcome to the third part of the October Call 2021. The October Call is a amigurumi crochet along hosted by me, Veronica, the crochet designer and craft teacher behind Garnknuten. If you want to know more about this call and how to join in, click on the link down below or go to garnknuten.com/octobercall2021. In this video, I will show you how to crochet the third part of the secret amigurumi, the legs. If you prefer to follow a written step-by-step pattern, you will find the link to the PDF in the description. To be able to make these legs, you need to know how to crochet a magic circle, single crochets, increases, no decreases this time. So, let's get crocheting, shall we? Okay, so let's start off with a magic circle with 5 single crochets. So this is how I make my magic circle, but there are so many ways, so just pick and choose the way you like to make them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our magic circle with 5 single crochets. For the second row, we are going to increase with 5 times, so that at the end of the row we will have 10 stitches. And let's count the stitches just to be sure that we didn't forget any increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the right amount of stitches that we want. So on the third row and fourth row and fifth row, we are going to continue increasing evenly 5 times per row. So by the end of our increase rows, we should have 25 stitches. So let's do that. So this was the third row, so now we are increasing 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. This was our third row, and now we have 15 stitches. And now for the fourth row, let's make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. 2 and a increase. Yep, that was our fourth row. And the last increase row, which we are going to 3 single crochets and 1 increase. So 1, 2, 3 and a increase. Yes, and now we should have 25 stitches, so let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, 25 stitches, and that was all of our increase rows. For the next 5 rows, we will make 25 single crochets per row, so 1 single crochet in each stitch. So let me speed up this video and show you how it looks like after those 5 rows. So this is how your first leg should look like after the rows, with no increases and no decreases or whatsoever, just with one single crochet per stitch. So now we just cut off the yarn ends, wave in the ends, and make a other one, because we need two for our secret amigurumi. Here are our two legs. Keep the yarn attached to the second leg, because in the next part we are going to crochet the legs together and start on the body. So don't cut this one, but you can definitely, if you want to, wave in this one, so you don't have to do it at the end, because we all know if we leave it, it's never gonna happen. So that's why it's good to try and wave in as you go. Thank you so much for crocheting together with me the third part of the October call. If you want to join the call, go to gongknuten.com/octobercall2021. If you sign up, you will get notified when the next part is released and get your hands on the step-by-step written pattern part. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!